Are you looking to start your own business but don't have experience in creating a website or managing inventory? Then dropshipping might be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide to starting a dropshipping business with a pre-made store. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is choosing your niche. It's important to find a product line that you're both passionate about and has market demand. Do your research and check out competitor prices to ensure you're setting yourself up for success. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to create your store. There are several platforms that make it easy to set up an e-commerce store with pre-made templates. We recommend choosing a platform that integrates with your dropshipping supplier for seamless inventory management. Finding a reliable dropshipping supplier is key to a successful business. Choose a supplier that has a wide variety of products in your niche, has competitive shipping rates, and offers a user-friendly interface for managing orders. After you've chosen your supplier, it's time to add their products to your store. Make sure to include high-quality product images, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing to stand out from competitors. Once your store is set up, it's time to start marketing to potential customers. Utilize social media platforms and paid advertising to increase brand awareness and drive traffic to your site. Keep in mind that it takes time to build a successful brand, and don't get discouraged by a slow start. Starting a dropshipping business can be a great way to enter the world of e-commerce without managing inventory or creating a website from scratch. Follow these step-by-step instructions to create a successful dropshipping business with a pre-made store.